So I went to Staples to make a label. Unfortunately, last time I made a salad dressing label, it was printed on Avery. It's thick, and I really liked it. It stuck on the bottle as long as it was in the fridge, but they didn't have it. So we got it on Staples label paper, but it printed pretty well. It's not perfect. Empty bottle. The original glass bottle had a long neck, and the label went on the bottle, not up on the cap like they do these days. We're going to do it up on the cap like they do. This is the modern bottle. That's why the neck label is wider. Let's put it on the bottle. I just want to put a label on the bottle. Good Friday. Wishbone green goddess dressing. I don't know where. Oh, hey. Hey. Trying to escape, are you? It's been a while since we made a retro pantry product that has gone extinct. We did the lunchbox, a Kraft sandwich spread. So I wasn't looking for green goddess dressing. I was looking for pantry products that had been expired, something that we could recreate. Then we came upon Wishbone green goddess dressing. There are a lot of videos about green goddess dressing. Once again, they're all different. No one's making it the same. Some of them use mayo, some of them use Greek yogurt. The original San Francisco Palace Hotel recipe that was created in 1923 used mayo and sour cream. But we're not going to do what people normally do. We're going to cook some of this. We're going to grind it up, add some oil, maybe some olive oil, and we're going to cook it for about 5 minutes. The original recipe does not say shallots, but the Wishbone commercial says tender shallots. So we're going to throw some shallots in. Tender because we cooked them. I'm going to add a little bit of spinach too for extra green. That's still in the fridge. I don't have any cider vinegar. The original recipe called for cider vinegar. We're going to use white vinegar, just a little bit. We're going to fill up the Wishbone bottle and we're going to have some Wishbone green goddess dressing. Let's stop yapping and let's get making this green goddess dressing. Wishbone got his dressing. This goes in the fridge. We're gonna use it tomorrow with some smoked salmon on a cracker and cucumber. I like the color. I like the color. It's a light green. Probably can't tell on my kitchen lighting. Green got his dressing. Wishbone Green got his dressing. Good Saturday. I've been waiting all morning to make these crackers. I did try this yesterday while I was making it. It tasted pretty good to me, but I didn't spend time on the flavor. So this is going to be exciting. I wanted to get Latitude 45. They didn't have any at Walmart, and I got these at Publix. I've never made smoked salmon crackers. Oh, chives. We're going to put some cut up chives on top. I'm not quite sure how to arrange it on a cracker to make it look pretty. I apologize in advance. Right now, okay, this is what we're going to do. I'm going to put this in the fridge for a second because we want to try, because we have to prep these. Cucumber slices, maybe a little bit of red onion. I don't know, has it thickened up? I think it has thickened up a little bit in the fridge. I wish I'd made more so that the whole bottle would be, so the bottle would have looked like that. That would have been cool. I just didn't make enough. That would have been cool. Crap. Crikey. That's how it should look. Look at that. That's pretty. How do I normally open it? I usually just tear the label. There you go. There's always a little bit of label left. That's what you do. Let's shake her up. Pretty cool. We'll try a spoonful and then we'll make some smoked salmon crackers. Oh my. Here we go. Oh boy, that looks creamy. A lot of the Green Goddess dressings you see that are made with raw vegetables, they look a little gritty, a little grainy. That's one of the problems I have. That looks smooth to me. That's a lot. That's a lot, but let's do it. Here we go. Oh man. Oh, that is good. That is really good. I'm not kidding. Just a little bit more. Ooh. Ooh. That's delicious. I don't taste the anchovy. I wouldn't be opposed to putting a little bit more anchovy. I don't taste the anchovy. There is a little acidity. There's a little saltiness. I don't taste overly green. Very good. And I actually think cooking the greens is a good thing. You're breaking down the fibers a little bit. You're not just eating blended raw greens. Let's make some smoked salmon crackers. I really like it with onion. It's very good with the onion.